Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to like games on Roblox. Liking games on Roblox helps you keep track of your favorites and let creators know you enjoy their games, so let's get started. First of all, open up the Roblox app on your device and log into your account. Once logged in, go ahead and search for the game you want to like. You can find the game by browsing through the Explore tab or typing in a game in the search bar at the top. After searching and finding a game, simply open it up and you will see this pop up where you'll need to simply tap on the three dots at the bottom left. Now, click on Favorite. After you tap on Favorite, the game will be listed inside the Favorite tab. You can now easily find it later by going to your profile. Simply tap on the More button at the bottom right, and inside the More menu, tap on Profile. Now go ahead and swipe up and click on View Full Profile, and you will then be able to open up your profile section. Click on the three dots and click on Favorites, and you will then be able to find all of the games that you've liked. And that's how you like a game on Roblox. It's a great way to keep track of your favorite games and support the creators. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more Roblox tips. Thank you for watching.